Hello, good morning. This is Teacher Jacob, and this video is for grade 8th. This is going to be like a listening class, okay? So you are going to do two activities. Activity one, you're going to listen, and then you are going to copy a dialogue, okay? Listen and copy the dialogue on your notebook. You need to do that. Okay? You got it? This? Listen and copy on your notebook. Activity two, you are going to complete on page 103 listening part. So you're going to do exercise 1, exercise 2, and exercise 3. So I repeat again. So this is what you need to do. So you're going to listen and then you're going to copy a dialogue. And after that, with this dialogue that you had copied on your notebook, you are going to complete the listening part on your book 103 listening part retirement home, and then exercise 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, only two exercises. Okay, two exercises. And that's all. Let's go. Let's practice. Let's see how are you in this. So I repeat, activity one is listen and you are going to copy on your notebook. Okay, so pay attention to this. So let's do it. One, two, three. Mom's friend. Where's Kimberly? Kimberly's mom. She's volunteering at retirement home. Mom's friend. Oh, wow. Kimberly's mom. That's probably her now. Hello, Kimberly. Hi, mom. Kimberly's mom. Hi, sweetheart. How are you? Mom's friend. Tell me what she says. Kimberly. Who's that? Kimberly's mom is Liz. She came over for a coffee. She wants to know how are you doing? Kimberly. Tell her I'm fine. The elderly people are really nice and I'm really enjoying it. Kimberly's mom. She says she she's really enjoying it. Kimberly. I have a friend named Bob. He has a granddaughter the same age as me. He tells me all about her. I'm taking him to the park tomorrow. Kimberly's mom. She says she has a friend named tomorrow. Mom's friend. It's going to rain tomorrow. Kimberly's mom. Liz says it's going to rain tomorrow. Kimberly, that's okay. I'll take my umbrella. Kimberly's mom. She says she'll take her umbrella. What time will you be back there, Kimberly? Around 6. Don't worry about me. I have to go now and help with lunch. See you later. Kimberly's mom. Okay, love. Bye. I'm very proud of her, mom's friend. That's good. Kimberly's mom. She loves spending time at the retirement home. Mom's friends. Yes, I can imagine. I'm sure Bob appreciate it too. Right? So this is the conversation. So you need to listen the conversation. So let me read the conversation again and listen and copy. I repeat. This is a conversation between mom's friend, Kimberly's mom, and Kimberly. Okay, there are three. Okay, so let's go. Let's start. Number one, mom's friend. Where's Kimberly? Kimberly's mom. She's volunteering at retirement home. Mom's friend. Oh, wow. Kimberly's mom. That's probably her now. Hello, Kimberly. Hi, mom. Kimberly's mom. Hi, my sweetheart. How are you? Mom's friend. Tell me what she says. Kimberly. Who's that? Kimberly's mom. It's Liz. She came over for a coffee. She wants to know how are you doing? Kimberly. Tell her I'm fine. The elderly people are really nice and I'm really enjoy it. Kimberly's mom. She says she's really Kimberly's mom. She says she's really enjoyed it. Kimberly. I have a friend, Bob. He has a granddaughter the same age as me. He tells me all about her. I'm taking him to the park tomorrow. Kimberly's mom. She said, Kimberly's mom. She says she has a friend named Bob. She says she's taking him to the park tomorrow. Mom's friend. Is going to rain tomorrow. It's going to rain tomorrow. Kimberly's mom. Liz says it's going to rain tomorrow. Kimberly. That's okay. I'll take my umbrella. Kimberly's mom. She says she'll take her umbrella. What time will you be back, dear? Kimberly. Around 6. Don't worry about me. I have to go now and help with lunch. See you later. Kimberly's mom. Okay, love, bye. I'm very proud of her. Mom's friends. That's good. Kimberly's mom. She loves spending time at the retirement home. Mom's friends. Yes, I can imagine. I'm sure Bob appreciates it too. This is the listening part. This is a listening activity. So with this, first you copy the dialogue. Remember the dialogue, three people, mom's friend, Kimberly's mom, and Kimberly. Okay, and then you write the conversation, and with that dialogue, you're going to complete the exercise on page 103. Exercise, listening part, exercise 1, and exercise 2. All right. So, for example, exercise 1, listening, retirement home. Listen at exercise 1, listen to the conversation between Kimberly's mom, and Kimberly's mom's friend. Mark the topics they discuss. Kimberly's volunteer work, Kimberly's mom's friends Bob's son, the weather tomorrow. Okay? So you tick what he mentioned in the dialogue. Of course, you got because you copied, and then you can read and answer the question, the exercise. I mean, you just tick. Exercise 2 is listen again and mark the sentences T true or F false. A. Kimberly says she'll really enjoy her work. So you say T or F. B. Bob is a friend of Kimberly's from school. You say T or F. And Bob says he has a granddaughter. And the Kimberly says she'll take her car to the park. So, according to this listening, my idea is that you complete on page 103, and for the next class, we can continue, but with another topic. Okay? So that's what I need you to do it. I need is you listen and then you copy this kind of exercise. All right? Uh, well, Nothing else. This is what you need to do. The listening part. Remember, listening part is very important if you want to understand, if you want to comprehend when someone is talking, or when you're listening to the radio, or when you're watching TV. Remember also, it's mandatory to listen every day, 1 or 2 hours every day. In fact, this could be when you are watching films, or when you are uh, in, in internet. So you go to YouTube, and then you can listen something that you are interested in learning. Remember, also listening part is very important. If you listen music, and more than listening music, it's you have to memorize the song. Okay, so I hope so you have uh, enjoyed this class, and I hope so it helps you to complete on page 103, and then you can understand a better listening. Of course, this is now complicated for you, and because first I'm talking very slow in order to understand. So I'm not talking, like a normal English speaking way. I mean, I try to speak slow in order to that you understand what I'm talking to. Okay, so bye bye. See you. See you next.